Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Marana local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a high-quality, value-driven moving company in Marana, Arizona. Our hard-working crews assist residential and commercial customers with their local and long-distance projects. When you are preparing for your move to or from Marana, Arizona, you may be concerned with the stories you see online about moving companies defrauding customers, charging prices many times higher than what they agreed, or simply disappearing with the loaded truck. How can you protect yourself from these scams? 3 Movers offers these red flags of moving fraud that you should be on the lookout for to help you avoid becoming a victim. 1. A mover that doesn't want to conduct an on-site survey of the shipment but offers you a great price over the phone might be planning something shady. Often, those tempting verbal estimates attract you as a customer, and the mover raises the price once they start the job or demand a much higher price when they deliver your shipment. 2. A mover that wants a large deposit in advance might be shady too. Traditionally, you pay for moving services when the company delivers your shipment, so be suspicious if they want a big deposit, especially if they insist on cash. 3. If the mover doesn't explain how the moving insurance works, that's a terrible sign. The insurance quote should be in the estimate, so don't hire a mover that doesn't offer it. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Marana moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.